This is Jack. As a husband, father, and homeowner, Jack was always looking for ways to keep his home and family safe. He improved the deadbolts on his doors, installed additional lighting to the exterior of his home, and even put up security cameras. But with crime rates as high as they were, Jack still didn't feel like he was doing enough to protect his family. That's when Jack discovered alarm systems on TopConsumerReviews.com. There, Jack was able to find ratings and reviews for the top alarm system companies that had 24-hour nationwide monitoring, up-to-date technology, and incredibly fast response times. Now, Jack has the perfect alarm system for him and his family, and he's never felt safer. If you want to improve your home security, check out alarm systems today on TopConsumerReviews.com.